Hi guys, it's Aaron and Daniella here, and we've been renovating this house for the past 3 months. And this is our kitchen.
No one likes dirty dishes, and that is why we got the ultimate kitchen hand.
When selecting your Smeg dishwasher, it's really important to consider your kickboard and also your benchtop height.
This is why we have chosen an integrated Smeg dishwasher. The reason why we chose Smeg integrated dishwashers is because it keeps it seamless and flush with our modern design cabinetry.
The great thing about Smeg dishwashers, they are eco-friendly, easy to use and very well made.